The Mysterious Door. In the heart of a quiet town stood an old abandoned house. Its most intriguing feature was a large, ornate door that no one could open. The townspeople called it the Mysterious Door. Rumors spread about what lay behind it, a hidden treasure, a magical world, or perhaps a terrible secret. One day, a curious teenager named Emma decided to investigate. Armed with a flashlight and a notebook, she entered the house. Dust danced in the beams of sunlight streaming through the cracked windows. The air was thick with the scent of age and mystery. Emma examined the door closely. It was carved with strange symbols and patterns. She touched the cold metal handle, and to her surprise, it turned with ease. The door creaked open, revealing a spiral staircase descending into darkness. Courage swelling within her, Emma began her descent. At the bottom, she discovered a room filled with bookshelves, artifacts, and glowing crystals. In the center of the room was a large journal resting on a pedestal. Its cover read, "The Secrets of the World." As Emma flipped through its pages, she realized the book contained knowledge about the universe's ancient mysteries, forgotten histories, and the secrets of life itself. It was a treasure beyond gold. It was a treasure beyond gold. But as she read, the room began to tremble. A voice echoed, "The knowledge you seek comes with great responsibility. Will you use it wisely?" Emma nodded, her heart pounding. The trembling stopped, and the voice said, "Then the door will remain open for you alone. Share what you learn with kindness." From that day forward, Emma became a teacher in her town, sharing the wisdom she had gained. The mysterious door became a gateway not to treasure, but to understanding and growth